On your Android phone, when your apps are crashing all of a sudden and your battery is continuously draining for without any solid reason, if you would like to know the exact reason of what's happening with your phone and your phone is lagging continuously, so if you want to know exact the reason, you have to get into safe mode on your Android phone. How do you do that? So going to safe mode, what happens, I'll be telling you when we get into safe mode. So in this video, so getting into safe mode is so easy. Just hold your power button. So after holding your power button, these things will appear on your Android phone. Just go to this power off option, just tap it here continuously, will prompt with reboot to safe mode. In any Android phone, when you just continuously hold on the power on or power off button, this will take you to safe mode. Just I'm making OK here. After getting into OK option, this will be restarting my phone, and my phone will now enter into safe mode without any hesitation. Let's see. Now my phone starting, it's showing the Android one. Yes, phone is starting. Now phone has started and it has entered safe mode very clearly. Now you can see on the left down below corner here it has mentioned safe mode. Safe mode is clearly mentioned here. And what happened exactly, whatever the apps on your mobile, the default one which has come with the mobile only are able to play now, and all the applications whichever you have downloaded after your phone purchase, so those will be deactivated clearly. And so that if your phone is still making any issue after the safe mode, that means your default applications are only creating some issue. If your phone is very clear, you don't have any problem now, that means the applications which are downloaded here, let's see, these are deactivated and discolored. Only these things like Play Store and Google messaging app and this phone app and this camera app, all these apps are only this YouTube has also come with mobile. So these are the only applications which I got it when I have received this phone. So other applications I have not received, and I have in fact installed after buying this phone. That means if I am not getting any issue now, that means only those applications whichever I have downloaded as a part of my usage are creating issue. I can further get into rectification by going to those recently added apps. If I remove those apps, my problem will be solved. This is how you can turn your safe mode on your Android mobile. It's so easy and useful too. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel.